Okay, so this week, uh, we will have some introduction for the rapid. It's for coding, right? And you have to know. Uh, Last week we have been talking about the structure for the rapid, right? You see they have the main, the entry point, and other sub function. You will see it here. So this week we will talking about basic some basic command. You will not using some code you can using stations function to help you to insert the code. But the other things like if or while those condition loop function you still have to type by yourself. Okay, so today I will tell you how to add a condition at a rapid. So before we type by myself, I can add here home. Yeah. Uh, we still have some instruction we can add. Last time I said right here. Insert you can insert for movement instruction, move or action instruction, and they have different way. What it is? Let me see. Move, move, and for add. Wait, let me see. Okay, so the move instruction just simply give you the move L, move linear, and but the action instruction have many functions. You can choose that here. Uh, you can choose the path, which function which you can choose main or stop function which you want to add, and there have many instruction you can add. But not everything I know, but I can tell you some of the function, they are most used in the for the rapid. We are most using the one is the first in the, maybe if you have some program background, you know what is said.
No, it's background. But are you like internet just stop something or starting something?
No, it is not. Yeah, like defining something. Set and reset is more closely to digital. For the digital number, in the digital world, we only have 0 and 1, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So set that means set something to 1,
Oh,
and
okay.
reset that means set something to 0.
Mm,
It can using for maybe originally is a number, maybe number or boolean. Boolean,
uh,
boolean that means that boolean is a type, number type. Number type? Yeah, number type. It's like a type. It is also a type. The type we have uh, empty, float, load, double, or like those kind of programs numbers type. If you don't know, you can make some search.
I can remember.
I think you have some
Yeah,
you have some
where's the method?
sense for coding. Okay. So Boolean is also kind of the have this one. But Boolean only have two two results. The first is false and the true. So true that means 1 in the rapid. Yeah. So
False.
false, yeah. False it means 0. So in a rapid we call set
One.
Yeah, we can use set to set a number or set a condition to true. That means one,
Okay.
and zero is for reset. What is A? Oh, yeah, you can guess. Yes. Yeah. A, that means analog. Yes. So D is digital. But analog, you know, analog we have maybe we, we depart a signal to maybe 256 there is what there. From 0 to 1, apart we apply the we apply them to the 256 like that. That means analog. But in the digital we only have 0 and 1. So set two and set two and set AO they have different meaning for for a signal. I mean I think if we can call that maybe signal. If you're using AO, maybe you can set a signal to because I said maybe you can set 0 to 256. Maybe you can set to 100 blah 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 like that. But in the set two, you only have 0 and 1. That is different with the analog and the digital, right? The analog have more complicated signal for the real world, for the digital only in the computer. Create a digital output here, and it gives you auto and dot one. One that means true, right?
Yeah.
But auto, now you don't say the auto. Actually auto that means which it's kind of IO in a IO in a virtual simulation world. But not but because now we not assigned yet, so it gives you auto. But if you assign it, it will be the name you give.
Okay. Yeah, I just said before name.
Yes. How pulse pulse beyond. So did you know what is the set and the pulse different?
When it's a sign, it's of course it will be like a stopping.
Yes.
From here, then back,
Uh,
or no?
I can tell you simply for by combining the pause and wait time function. Okay. You can create if you don't have it gives you the default future some condition that give you a library. Did you find a library?
And I didn't search for any library.
Actually, Rapid you see the Rapid actually is a code. Yeah. So it's so you see maybe you see a C or a Python, they have the library, right?
Mm-hmm.
And Rapid also have. You can pick which version. It will tell you the function what they are using. So maybe we can find maybe we find uh, BDS. Yeah, see. Yeah, you have English version. You can find it.
Yeah.
I using I using the Chinese because it's more
Easier for you.
yeah. Oh, so you see that this is the function of offset like that. It, it gives you can read the example that here. It gives you uh oh every time every you let's say that you're using this function and this function tells you how the offset with P10 and P11 by which TCP. It gives you the distance from P10 to P11. It gives you the distance how far they how close they are or how far they are like that. So you can find a library to you can find a library the function right at the library. Right at the library. So you can find it by yourself.
Okay.
Big function. Actually, not too much, but enough for we using to control peripheral uh, device. Okay. I think you have familiar with the if and
Mhm.
well those things, right?
Yeah.
Because we have because we everyone everyone writing for the code before, right?
Yeah. But usually,
Never mind. But I think everyone have the sense for the if and the file.
Yes.
Yeah. So so at the rapid we can see the library. Oh, you mean define the variable? Yes. Uh, yes, you can see in the uh, have you read C before? C language before? In the C, yeah, never mind. First, in the C, we how we define the variable? Yes, we use int something. As int your variable name and then equals something, right? But in a rapid, it's different. Uh, they have different type in rapid, but those type different is that is because lot of function they're using the input is different. Uh, I can say something like even though they are the number, but they still have the maybe digital input number and number. They're different. So that's why we have to read the library. So this library will tells you, oh, these are different type, and you can you cannot use them to assign each other. You cannot use DL number equal number. The rapid compiler will tells you this one. So how to define a variable? And if you have been type using the compiler here, you can see it will give you it will give you the function. It's the comparison you may use. But sometimes the none of the define the define will put it in a global area. So for example, if you want to find a value, so we will use here you see one var and the name the number. Yeah. Um, in the C, in the C, in the C will be like that, right? int
integer number
and a name equals one, right?
Yeah.
But in the rapid, this is the same, the variable and integer. They are define the type, right? But here you see not only the type, they have the automatic, how should I say, atomic
atomic
atomic type.
Okay.
Uh, that is why I say we have the DL number and the number. Those are different atomic type. So you give the atomic type and then you give the name. So that is the most different with the C. And I think the Python speed and the Python and I have a lot of time for not using Python, but I think Python is still different with the Rabbit, right?
Yeah. And it was much easier.
Ah, oh yeah, I see. It didn't need to define a type, right? It actually gave the number to the variable directly.
Yeah. And
Yes. So for the rapid, not only give you the type, you still have to assign an atomic type, and then you can give the name.
okay.
So I hear you. So I hear you see the target. The constant that means the constant is same with the C. That means this point cannot be changed, cannot be modified.
Okay.
Constant and the robot target. We have several target atomic type. Uh, robot target, joint target, uh, absolutely target. I think yes. Yeah, we have several type you have to assign. But a lot of time if you add it by the station, it gives you a wrong robot target. So how to use the condition? Oh, by the way, if you want to use others type, maybe I think you have bool. Yeah, they have bool. Boolean means
But
boolean. Yeah, boolean. You can give the test. Test is the keyword. Uh, true. Yes. You can give the true or false to see how you give the logical value. So by the way, so by the boolean or something or others one or zeros uh defined by the value you can use those to put it in the condition, right? So first you maybe everyone know that is for if, right? If and else. So if it type if, it would give you the condition right here. Maybe you only want if, or you want the else if and else if.
what is the last one?
If and
And
if. Uh, for the C, we only define the if and else, right? And
yeah.
give you the how to say that the big what is this?
I don't know.
Yeah, we close it, right? But in the condition, you see, you have the end. You have to assign the end. So yeah, so it will. So if you want to add a if condition, so you type if and then you choose the condition it gives you, so it will automatically give you the whole syntax. So by this you will not lo- you may not lost the syntax if you don't know.
Okay.
So you think like is condition. So if something happen, then doing what? Uh, maybe we can try. Yeah. Also, you give if you have been defined at the top at the global and in the menu, it will auto give you like using VS Code. If try if we have set try to true, right? So maybe you can insert something like moving to blah blah blah, blah and then try will become false. And false direct like that. So if you um, simulate it and then you will go into the try condition and then turn the try to false and then you will not going and then you will not uh and you will not and then you will change the boolean in the try value. Oh, it's simple, right?
But I try
Uh-huh.
is false.
Oh, you
Nothing
mean
to
yes, yes, like others others language. If if something false, it will not happen, right? So it's still same. It's the same in the Reddit. And other ones. So others I think I don't need to explain you, right? It's the same. It's the same one. Just like the other language you have been using before in for a if and while actually. Just only have the end. The difference is that they only have the end. Okay, so while. So while it also have the end while. Also have the end while. So it's the same. While uh something is true, then do. We will only we in the C we using this, right? But here you can see the do. So while something happen, do something. And for the loop. When something is the false, become the false, so you will jump, so you will break the loop, go to the outside. Oh, you still have the break here, break. Uh, by the way, I forgot to tell you. You see all of the assign. It's not only the equal.
use very and
Yes,
yes,
it have the comma.
comma.
Is that comma? No, I don't know how to say this. Say this. Yeah, yeah. I think you should have the name. But I didn't know.
Yeah, I don't think
Let it. Eh,
yeah, it is double point.
yeah, they are different.
Ah,
Yes, they are different. How to
but it is double point.
how to say this in English? Colon.
Hmm?
Yeah, colon.
Mm,
Semicolon.
mm,
Oh, you also have the how's it? Ah, okay. So the assign will be combined with the column and the equal. Okay, so while something do something and you can break by using while. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. But the if condition only position one times, right? But the while can it can give the loop. Yeah. Not even uh not not only if and while. In the C we have others condition, right? Did you know? Not only if and while. Do you remember? Okay. In the in the C we have they have we have three conditions we can use. If, while, and switch. Switch that means if you have several case, you give the input and then you and then it will compare if the case and if they are the same and then it will go to this line and then only for only execute this line. But in the rapid it's different. It's the syntax is different. The name is different. Yes. In the C we're using switch, right? But in the rapid we're using test. Test. So you see test and the case, the default. Have you ever using this? Using the switch. Switch the switch case default, right? Right? All right, never mind. Uh, uh, test that means we can use in try. I write it. I write down. So for compare my to African people. See,
There. This is what.
it's almost sort of one highlight break because if you don't add a break in the C, if you maybe assume that the input is one, right? Mm. And you give the link one, true, right? So go for case one. If you didn't add a break, the program pointer will keep going and two. So that's when you will see. They will automatically done finish the finish and will go to the button of the test. If you
Not even something else. I mean, not even something is wrong in the coding.
yeah. So that's why you have to type by yourself.
Mm. You cannot mandate condition in the station.
Yeah, station can help you to um, construct the condition. you still will not appear at the station. Anytime. Instruction you can add. You can you can add by the station. After you synchronize, you will appear at the rapid. Potential. This is and let it and wait time means how long you want to wait. Uh, the you want to have one. As in the simulation, we have several you can use. So, and others are analog. So you are digital, okay? We can change the digital to for the simulation. For the simulate, we can change the IO. But of course, actually, in the actual environment, you have to give the high signal to let the controller know you have been changed. Myself. So what is DI, you know? Digital input, right? So that means click the you can no you can use in the code. You change the from to oh yeah. Original is 0, right?
Yeah.
And then
The one.
one time because it's keep one very different state and cost, right? Yeah. Change the sometimes you sometimes you action, right? If you want to stimulate that thing give to give to the controller. When the regular input actually change this next week.
Like
Upload for now for uh I think that is more, in the simulation that is more simplified to no it's more that is more familiar with the synchronous. That is actually that is the function synchronous. But uh, but upload actually if you want to communicate with the actual controller will become the upload. But the actual upload is more easy now. I can give you I can tell you uh, I can for the future. I can tell you for the future. Actually, it's easy. You just application for program you want to you I want you to use using while on if condition if the loop time, right? But now so after you have if condition you can achieve for several times moving backward, right? So it also yeah, but now if if back on which one? Oh, here.
Ah, there is.
One is the if you forget I can tell you again. One is like here. Is like here. This one. You just you just gave the point. It's fine. Never mind. You just uh nearby this place and here it is the wire position and nearby the camera nearby the camera and then nearby the socket right here. Okay, right here. You just you just give the point nearby those nearby the three place and then you try to make the condition. To make the robot move. Yes. Actually, I have the answer right here, but I will not tell you.
No.
You try it by yourself. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's all.
Okay.